Hello everyone, it's Bernadette here, Simply Be Art. Thank you for joining me once again for this video. I'm using a Dala artist boxed canvas today. Now, my inspiration comes from Shannon Gibson Art and Designs, and I will link her channel in the description box below so you can also go and have a look. Now I'm going to lay down a base coat. I want a very thin base coat for this painting. We are going to be doing a flip and drag with metallic colors, and I'm hoping that I get a beautiful result. So keep your fingers crossed. So let me take a moment just to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel in the last few days. I really appreciate your support of my channel, and to everyone who has come back and viewed my videos, who have liked and shared and commented. Thank you so much. I appreciate your viewership. So that's the thin base coat all laid down. I'm going to pop the air bubbles quick, and then we're going to fill our cup to do the flip and drag. Just popping a few of the air bubbles. That's all done. The paint is nice and smooth. This is my cup. I've got a Dala acrylic white paint. I've got Dala's acrylic black paint. I've got a Zalcraft silver acrylic, and I've got Zalcraft's gold acrylic. And those are the 4 colors we will be using in our painting today. So I'm going to layer a nice, I want a lot of white, a healthy dollop of white paint, a little bit of black, and then white again, and then the silver, and then a little bit of white again, some gold next, a little bit of white, some black, some white again, a hint of silver, some white again, and then some gold, and I'm going to end off with a hint of white again. Right, all my paints are in my cup. Please wish me luck. I'm going to flip this over, and then we're going to do a drag around the canvas, and then I'm going to stretch and tilt. So where do I want to take this? Let's flip it at the top. Oh, all right. Now we give the paint some time to settle to the bottom. Just a few seconds, and then we're going to drag it on the surface. I'm excited about this painting. I really hope it turns out well. So keep your fingers and your toes crossed, guys, for a beautiful outcome. Okay, let's drag this. So it's got a suction, almost like a vacuum. So you got to lift it to release some of the paint as you drag it. Oh, that's a lot. As you drag it across the surface of the canvas. Okay. Let me take it off there. There's no paint left. Let me torch this first and then we're going to tilt it. Some bubbles in the paint. So this is my first attempt at a marbled look painting. I'm excited. I am excited. I only hope I didn't create any mud. Let's tilt. Let's tilt. So because it's a deep edge canvas, you've got to have enough paint to flow over the edge. I'm not liking that corner at the bottom. Let me get that paint off. Ooh, pretty. Really, really pretty. Oh, wow. Let me get some of this off here. Wow. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. I love that. Let me fix some of the edges. I have a palette knife. I'm just going to pick up some of the paint off the surface of my table and run it down the sides just to clean some of that sides and cover some of the white spots that were missed. Okay, I think that is fine. I'm loving it. Love, love, love it. Does it have a marbled look? I think it does. Let me torch it again. I don't want to get any cells at this point. There's no silicone in my paints, but sometimes the metallic paints do react and you get some cells. So just a quick over just to get those bubbles, and then I'm going to leave it. I love it. Wow. Let me bring you down for a closer look. So once again, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Thank you for being here and thank you for watching. Take care, everyone. Please stay safe. Until I see you on the next video. Bye for now.